The most common kind of loop that you'll probably see in your work in Perl is the while loop. So let's take the loops.pl script and make a copy of it, and we'll call it while.pl, and we'll go ahead and open that up. In this example, we have a file that we've opened, linesfile.txt, and if we take a look at that file, we see it has 5 lines of text in it. And we're going to use a while loop to read this file. And we'll just say while my line equals, and we will use this notation to read one line from the file. And we'll use a loop, and we will print $line like that. Now I'm not using message, I'm using print because these lines will already be terminated with a new line because of the way that this way of reading a line at a time from a file works. And we'll save this and we'll run it. And we see we have all 5 lines of the file being printed there in this while loop. What while does is it executes the code inside the block. It has this block here, and it executes that code over and over as long as this condition remains true. So the structure of it is the keyword while, and then in parentheses you have the condition, and in this case we have an assignment where we're assigning one line at a time from this file handle to the variable $line, and we've declared it as a my variable, so it'll be local inside this scope. And then the code inside is this one statement, print $line. And so that will happen over and over as each line of the file is assigned to it until it reaches the end of the file, at which time this variable will become false. It'll actually become undefined, the undef value, and the loop will end, and we'll close the file handle and be done. And so when we run it, we'll run it one more time, you can see we print all 5 lines of the file. So that is the basic while loop.